We could literally by tomorrow going back to the 80s where people were dying of AIDS.
Leaders of two global health groups are warning the work they do across dozens of countries to eradicate HIV/AIDS is now at risk because of President Trump's cuts to foreign assistance. One works for a Christian health network, the other for a group that centers its care on Black gay men and other vulnerable communities. Both do life-saving work with HIV prevention and treatment, but some of the clinics they work with have had to lay off workers or even close their doors.
We have partners who have had to do layoffs for over 90%.
The Trump administration has promised that some groups can get waivers to continue their work, but the process has been chaotic and unrealistic.
Most of the staff members have been terminated. So who is going to pay them to continue work? So the waiver is just there as a waiver, but there's no actually way to implement it.
And clinics that work specifically with the LGBTQ community, ensuring access to things like PrEP, a medication that's used to prevent HIV, may no longer be able to get U.S. government funding at all. That's because the Trump administration is targeting DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion.
The LGBTQ community, particularly the transgender community, are under a lot of scrutiny with this administration right now. And it breaks my heart. But we'll have to avoid talking about that because this administration and probably Congress behind them has no appetite for that.